when I was at market this spring, I found a product called Buttonhole Smart Marks Water Soluble Tape, and that's quite a mouthful. But I was impressed with it, and I'd like to show you how they work. So this is the Buttonhole Smart Marks. It's a water-soluble tape. And what it does is, assuming this is my placket that I'm going to put a buttonhole on, and I always have a hard time getting exactly the measurements. Well, this tape in this Smart Marks, it's called Buttonhole Smart Marks. Here's the tape. And what the tape is it has the industry measurements on how far a buttonhole is supposed to be away from it. So what's going to happen is I'm going to peel off the tape, and I'm going to lay it on this placket that I've made up, and I'll show you then. There we go. And it's water soluble. So once you've put it on, I'm just going to lay that right down in the center there. Okay. Assuming that my first buttonhole is going to be at the top of that placket. Now automatically it shows me here, it says start here. So when I make my buttonhole, I'm going to start here. And here's a 1/2 inch mark for a 1/2 inch buttonhole. And here's a 3/4 inch. And here's a 1 inch. But, and then, like I said, this is the industry standard for how many inches away that buttonhole is. But let's assume that I have a child's garment and I wanted to do it closer. Then I would tear off this, and I would, of course, I'd probably do it better than I'm doing right now. I would put that, maybe bring it closer to it, so now I have a much closer part. So I just tear it off. But these gray markings here, there we go. These gray markings, I can just put it closer every time. So I would just rip this off and put them closer together. So I'll go to my sewing machine and I will show you how this works on the sewing machine. So here I am at the sewing machine. I've already made one buttonhole right there. So you can see right there, I've already made one buttonhole. So I'm going to move down here. Now I'm using an automatic buttonholer, but what it and so I'm always going to go backwards. So here's that green line that says, that says start here, right there. So here's where I'm supposed to have my, here's where I'm supposed to have my next buttonhole. So I am going to place my foot right where it says, where the needle is going to go down, and there's the start here. So that's simply, I'm just going to start my buttonhole. Okay, then the next thing I do is just my next buttonhole. It says start. Again, it says start here, so that's where I'm starting. I'm going to lay that right in here. And put my foot down. No. There. So now, just go ahead and make that buttonhole. Okay, So now, all I have to do is tear this off. Like that. And my buttonholes are placed perfectly. I'll cut them open. The paper will come off. The little bit of glue that's on there, this is something I had done previously, so we're just going to ignore that. But you see that they're exactly in the right place. It was pretty easy. I didn't struggle. I didn't have to pin anything or do any markings. I just laid the tape down. So I think this is a winner. I really, really like it. Again, it is the Buttonhole Smart Marks water soluble tape, and here is the junksjeanpeople.com, and there's her email address. I am not sure whether this is in any of the large fabric stores, but boy, I sure hope it is. She has many other products that I don't think I've really been aware of before, but I think I liked this so much. I am certainly going to check out the Junk Jeans people. In fact, go on their website, you will be excited. What I didn't say is you also, when you're done, it says you can just, you tape it, you stitch it, and then you can spray it. The sticky part will come right off. So I'd run out and buy this today. I don't know how much what the price is for this one, but whatever it is, to me it's worth it to have perfect buttonholes without much work. So try it today. Thanks.